Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue our lesson about how to wiring PLC Omron model CP1E part 2. So in the previous video, we already learned about how to wiring of PLC Omron model CP1E part 1 that we focus only connect from digital output and digital input to the push button, and digital output we already connected to only one relay control. And we also use the CX-Programmer software to create the project example and then test with the relay control. And we also use the CX-Designer for simulation from the HMI. Yes, this is a previous lesson. So today we will focus more about connect the relay output from the PLC Omron CP1E to the relays control. So here is the electrical diagram that I already detailed in this drawing. So the first step, we can connect the minus 24 voltage to the coil of relay. Totally I have 5 relays. Then I already connected the cable to the relays. And for the positive, we can connect from the output of PLC to relay, number 1. For output number 2, I connect to relay number 2. Output number 3, I connect to relay number 3. Output number 4, I connect to relay number 4. And output number 5, I connect to relay number 5. But the common, we can jump the cable connect here. Yes, so COM is the same, it is the positive voltage, yes, from the power supply, and then we can connect together with the COM of this terminal. And for the digital input, it will start from I0.0, and digital output, it will start from 100.0 to 100.7. yeah, totally 8 bits for digital output and 12 bits for digital input. Okay, and in this section I will also use the CX-Programmer and CX-Designer to create the new project and then test with this relay. Okay, and we also simulation after we test with the actual real relays and PLC, and then we can create the project for simulation from the HMI. Okay, so let's go with me together step by step about how to create the new project of this PLC. Okay, so let's go. Okay, here is the software CX-Programmer and CX-Designer that I already installed in my PC. So first, let's go to open the software. Right now I use version 9.7 for CX-Programmer. Then we can go to create the new project. Yes, example part 2, wiring. And I will choose the CPU to match with my hardware of PLC. So CP1E, and then the CPU type is E20. So we must select to be the same as the hardware, otherwise we cannot connect or we cannot download the project to the PLC. Okay, so right now I choose CP1E and CPU type is E20, and then click OK, and then you can command as part2 how to wiring PLC Omron CP1E-20 relay control, and then click OK. We will get the section 1, yeah. And for section 1 we can also rename as example main logic, yes. And then we can create the input. So for the input, it will start from 0.0, it is the start, and 0.1 it is stop. So we can type, okay, I will zoom in a little bit. So press Alt and then a row key right to zoom in, yes. So we can use the push button, example stop. So stop, it will start from 0.1, right? Stop button, yes. And for start button, it will start from I0.0, right? So 0.0 and command as start button. And for the output, it will start from 100, right? It will start from 100. So if we would like to turn on the Q0, it will start from 100.0. Okay. So 100.0, it is the relay 1. Or we can type okay, relay 1. Okay. And then we can hold the signal. Example, I will hold the signal here. So I will hold the signal 100.0. Yes, relay 1. Yes. And if we would like to turn on the relay number 2, we can also turn on. So when Q100.0 turn on, I will let relay number 2 turn on. So 100.1 relay 2 is turned on. Then we can connect the rack, yes. And continue, we can use the 100.1 is turned on. Then I will let 100.2 is turned on. This is a relay 3, right? Okay, I will zoom out a little bit. Then we can connect. Yes. And then we can continue to create turn on for relay number 4. So if 100.2 is turned on, I will turn on relay number 4. So 100.3 relay 4. Yes. And last one, we can use the contact from 100.3 relay 4 to turn on the relay number 5. So 100.4 relay 5, right? Okay. And then we can earn the program, right? So I will earn the program. And then we can compile, yes. So there is no error. Then we can download to the PLC, yes. So I will save the project first and save keep on desktop. And this one is part 2 wiring. So part 2 wiring Omron. Okay. And then let save again and online. Because right now I already connected my PLC to my laptop via USB cable. So we can transfer from PC to PLC, or we can go here, transfer to PLC. It means that download from our PC to the PLC. And then I will stop the project and then download to the PLC and then turn on, and we can online like this. So when we push the button start, it will turn on together, right? Yes. This one on, this one on, this one on, this one on until relay number 5. Yes. So let's test with me together. Okay, right now I will push button start. Yeah. Let's see the relay number 1, number 2 and number 3, number 5 is turned on together. And the PLC is shown on also. So if I push stop, the relay is stop all. If I push start again, relay is start again. Yes. So the communication is work perfectly between PLC and relay control. I will stop. Yes. Start again. Yes. So that's good. So if we would like to use the timer for start the relay step by step, we can also use. Yeah, let me show. So I will use timer. If this one on, I will let this one on, but waiting the timer, right? So let me use timer. To use the timer, we can click here. Yes. And we can write team example 0, timer number 0, and sharp 100. Yes, we will got timer like this, and we can use this one instead by timer, right? Example time 0, sorry, this one should be T0, right? Yes. So if T0 is on, I will let T1 is on. So we can use team, sorry, here. Example team 1, sharp 100 also. And then I will instead this one with T1. Yes. And when T1 is turned on, I will let T2 is turned on. So team 2 sharp 100. And I will instead this one with T2. Yes. Delete this one. And when T2 is turned on, I will use one more timer for turn on the T3. So TIM 3 sharp 100. We can also use another timer that we want. Yes, delay time. Okay, I will instead this one with T3. So T3. Yes, it's correct. So I will zoom. Sorry. Okay, we will got like this. So when Q0, sorry, 100.0 is turned on, it will wait the timer to turn on relay number 2. When relay number 2 is turned on, wait timer to turn on relay number 3, and then wait to turn on relay number 4, and wait to turn on relay number 5. And if we push button stop, it will reset all. Yes, turn off all timer. So we will compile our program. Yes, so there is no error occur, and then we can save project and then download online, download to the PLC again. So let me download again. So PLC transfer to PLC, yes, and click yes again to confirm, stop the CPU, and then click OK and run the CPU back, and then we can online. So right now if I push start, the Q100.0 is turned on, and then the timer will count, and let's start the T0 and relay number 2 is turned on. So let's test with me together with the real PLC. Okay, so right now I will push button start again. So now relay number 1 is turned on, and wait the timer for turn on relay number 2. Yes. Okay, relay number 2 is turned on. And wait for relay number 3. Yes. For timer, we can adjust by the process. Yeah, follow the process. If we would like to fast, we can adjust fast. If we would like to slow, it will we can adjust to slow. Yes. So waiting for timer to start relay number 5. So finish, start, finish, and then we can push the button stop to stop all. Yes. Yes. And we can also start again. Yes. And then the relay will turn on again, and timer is start count again. Okay, relay number 2 is turned on. And then wait for turn on relay number 3, and wait for turn on relay number 4. Yes. So it is just basic. So if we know the basic, we can convert this program to control the process. Follow everyone would like to control. Yes. So right now it's work perfectly, and then I will push stop. Yeah, it will stop all. So it worked perfectly for timer. We start step by step from relay number 1 to relay number 5. So if we would like to simulation from the HMI, yes, we can also simulation. So basically we can start from the HMI, yes. Then example, we use the W 0.0, example start HMI. It means that start from HMI. And for stop from HMI, we can also stop from here. Example W 0.1, stop HMI. Yes, like this. Then we can save, and we can go to CX-Designer. Yes. Right now I use version 3.7, and then file, go to new project, and we can choose another HMI that we want. For me, I will use this one. We have many types that we can use. This one example simulation part 2. This one should be sim2. Yeah, example sim2. And for system communication, we can go to setting. Yeah, we can change any setting that we want. Example screen 1. We will got like this. And if everyone would like to change the screen, we can go to screen property. Example, change to another color that we want. Example, this color we can use like this. So basically we can use the label for create some text that we want. Example PLC Omron tutorial part 2. Then we can adjust the frame, we can adjust the label, we can adjust the font size that we want. Example, I will use this size. Yes, so we can apply, it will come like this. And for the text, yes, the text color we can change another color that we want, like this. Or we can change the background screen. Yeah, example, I use the white color. Yes, or this color. Yes, we can apply like this. So basically we can use the style, we can design another style that we want. Yeah, example, design like this. If we download to the HMI, it will show this slide also. Yes. So right now we would like to start the relay number 1 from the HMI. So I will use the address W0.0. So I will use the bit button. Yes, this one. Example stop. So we can change the size. And for the text color, yes, we can do like this. And for the frame color, we can also use like this. Yes. This is a frame color. Yes. And for the start, we can copy from here and just change the frame to be blue color. Yes, maybe blue color. And this one should be start, right? So I will rename to start. Okay. And we need to show the status of the output, right, to relay. So I will use bit length. So example, this one, relay number 1. Can do this one. Color off is red and color on is blue. Sorry, green. Yes. And then we can copy to file output, right? File lamp or file relay. So this one example relay 1. This one should be relay 2. This one should be relay 3. This one relay 4. This one relay 5. Yes. So I will align a little bit to be like this. Okay. And then we need to configure the stop button and start button, right? For stop button, it will start from address W0.01, right? So let's go to config. I will use momentary, yes, and then use the address work area, right? So 0.1, 0.01 here, right? And for the start button, I will use momentary also. And let's go to see the serial A and then choose the work area also. So 0.0, it is correct. And then we can save the project. And for the relay number 1 until relay number 5, we can also configure the address. So I will use command IO area, and then it will start from 100.0, right? This one. So 100.0, this one, 100.1, this one, 100.2, yes, this one, 100.3, and the last one is 100.4. Okay, and then we can save the project, and we can close this one first, and we can simulation by click here, test, yes to all, and then we can choose the connect to CX simulator and browse to find the project that we already saved. Yes, I save to desktop. So part 2 wiring, part 2 wiring, there is empty, right? Oh, this one, let me check. Part 2 wiring, it is desktop, right? On desktop. So I will move to this folder. So this one, yes, part 2 wiring Omron. And then let's start. It will turn on the project automatically, and then simulation, yes. Okay, it will open the screen automatically also, and we can test with simulation, yes. Example, I push start. Let's see, the relay number 1 is turned on, and timer is count also, and wait for turn on relay number 2, yes, and then turn on relay number 3, yes, and turn on relay number 4. The same as we push the button. If we simulation like this, yes, wait for turn on relay number 5. Okay, so right now our relay is turned on, and then we can stop, yes, so it will stop all the relays, and then we can start again, it will work again, yes. So this is just basic about how to wiring and test with the real PLC, and we also can simulation from the HMI touchscreen. So thank you very much for watching my video, and If everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to say I'm sorry if I have mistake in this video. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.